In this video, I'll show you how to fix we've encountered an issue on our end on eBay. So there could be a myriad of different things causing this, and it really depends on what menu is causing this when you go in. It could be that you maybe owe money. The easiest way to get around this though is just to contact support to find out what the actual issue is. It's just much faster than scouring the internet or even YouTube. So the quickest way to go about this would be to go to the bottom right on the question mark icon, then click on Visit Help and Contact. Then in here, scroll down until you see Contact Us. Choose your specific option. Again, choose your specific option. And on the left-hand side, you should see Chat with our automated assistant. And that will bring this section up on the right. And now just explain your problem in detail to the chatbot. If you feel like the chatbot is not understanding you, then you can insist to speak to an agent. And that is the quickest way to find out what the actual problem is and how to fix it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.